She says, I need space. Good. Let her run. Let her vanish. Let her figure things out. Because while she's creating distance, you're creating power. Modern men chase. Stoic men replace. She thinks space is punishment? Let her taste what silence from a high-value man really feels like. This isn't about games. This is about psychology. Today, you flip the fear of abandonment into emotional dominance. And when you master this mindset, she'll come crawling back and you won't even want her. Stay until the end, because this is how you make her obsessed with your absence. When a woman says she needs space, most men panic. They beg, they bargain, they spiral, because they are terrified of rejection. But that's not what Stoicism teaches. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." Yet modern men do both. They act out of desperation. They speak from fear. What if I told you, her asking for space is the beginning of your transformation, not the end of the relationship, the start of your rise? Because the man who can detach becomes magnetic. Let's go deeper. Part 1. Her need for space is not personal. Here's the truth. When she says, I need space, she's not asking for freedom. She's testing your energy. Most men fail this test. They flood her phone. They write paragraphs. They ask what they did wrong. And in doing so, they confirm one thing. You're not the man she imagined. Why? Because a high-value man doesn't react. He observes. He doesn't chase clarity. He creates mystery. And mystery is what brings her back. This is not about manipulation. It's about respecting yourself so deeply that her confusion becomes your clarity. Part 2. The psychology of space. You have to understand, when a woman pulls away, it's not just about you. It's about internal chaos she can't name. Hormones, trauma, validation addiction. Her biology is pulling her. Her mind is rationalizing it. And you're collateral damage unless you know what to do next. Here's what her space really means. I want to feel if I miss you. I want to see if you'll chase me. I want to test your value without saying I'm testing it. Now ask yourself, if you collapse the moment she steps back, what does that say about your core? Because true masculinity isn't about control. It's about unshakable presence, even in absence. Part 3. 5 power moves when she needs space. Let's break it down. Here are 5 power moves that flip the script and make her space your weapon. Power move number 1. Disappear without warning. Do not explain yourself. Do not post passive-aggressive quotes. Do not ask how long she'll be gone. You vanish. Digital silence, physical presence, emotional detachment. She says she needs space. Give her more than she asked for. No breadcrumbs, no updates, just pure, eerie, masculine silence. Why? Because your silence triggers her imagination, and her imagination is far more terrifying than reality. Power move number 2. Upgrade in her absence. While she's figuring things out, you're building. Go silent on her, but loud on yourself. Gym, money, social proof, purpose. She left a boy who wanted answers. Make sure she returns to a man who gives none. Because when she sees you leveling up, without her, she'll feel the brutal reality of being forgettable. Power move. Number 3, control the narrative. Don't let mutual friends or social media control the story. Be neutral, calm, collected. If people ask, just say, we're giving each other some space. I'm using it to grow. Simple, stoic, powerful. She expects you to collapse. Instead, you're rewriting the story. Power move number 4. Let her feel the void. Understand this. If you don't let her feel the pain of your absence, she won't feel the value of your presence. She expects you to chase, but when you don't, she'll spiral. She'll stalk your profile. She'll wonder who you're with. She'll hate that you're not broken. And most importantly, she'll realize she never truly had power over you. That's when she texts you again. Power move number 5. Don't take her back. Immediately when she comes back, and she will, don't open the gates instantly. You are not the same man she walked away from. Ask yourself, has she changed? Has she earned her way back? Are you better without her? Because taking her back too quickly kills your new value. Make her climb. Make her prove, not out of ego, but out of respect for the new standard you've set. Part 4. Stoicism in modern love. The ancient Stoics taught detachment not to be cold, but to be unbreakable. Seneca wrote, "He is most powerful who has power over himself." That's what this is. She's not your enemy, but she's not your center either. The moment you place a woman above your purpose, you begin to die inside. So when she says, "I need space," don't fight it. Don't question it. Use it. Use it to return to discipline, mission, self-respect. Because women don't chase love. They chase the energy that cannot be shaken by love lost. Be that energy. Part 5. Modern application. Let's get brutally honest. We live in an age of easy validation. Likes, texts, rebounds, options. When a woman says, "I need space," she's likely already got someone lined up emotionally, even if not physically. And that's fine. Let her go. Your job is not to compete. It's to become so high value that your silence is more haunting than another man's presence. Let her choose comfort. Let her choose familiarity, because she'll remember the one man who didn't beg to be remembered. Bonus section, mindset installation. Never chase again. Let's install something permanent in your mind. She says, "I need space." But what she's really saying is this: "I'm uncertain about you. Prove your value." And here's the mistake 99% of men make. They try to prove it externally. They send flowers, pour their heart out, make romantic speeches, or worse, cry. This is weakness. Understand this. Once a man makes a woman his emotional sun, he becomes her shadow. She becomes the center of his world, and she feels repulsed by his orbit. So here's what you do instead. You prove nothing. You shift into your core masculine energy, and you let time prove your worth. Because here's the secret. You're not meant to prove you're worthy of her. She's meant to prove she can keep up with you. Let me say that again, because this needs to hit. You are not meant to prove you are worthy of her. She must prove she can handle you. When she senses that shift, when she sees that the emotional leash she tried to put on your neck now lies on the ground, untouched, she doesn't just get curious, she becomes obsessed. Neuropsychology of absence. Let's go deeper into her brain. The female mind is biologically wired to seek emotional stimulation. But here's the paradox. Too much certainty bores her. Too much uncertainty excites her. So when you chase, validate, and over-communicate, you're destroying the emotional tension she secretly craves. But when you pull back, when you become hard to read, when you silence your presence, you activate her limbic system. She starts thinking about you. She wonders if she made a mistake. She starts checking your profile. She dreams about you. She replays every memory and every look. Why? Because your absence created a void, and that void echoes louder than any text you could have sent. That's the psychological trap. The louder you are, the less she hears. The quieter you become, the louder you echo. Modern warning. Do not fake this. But let's be clear. This is not about pretending. You don't do this to get her back. You don't do this as reverse psychology. You do this because you're finally prioritizing you. If it's a performance, she'll smell it. Women are biologically trained to detect emotional weakness. But if it's genuine, if you really start focusing on your vision, your health, your circle, your mission, then suddenly, she doesn't feel rejection. She feels regret. The ultimate power is when you stop using this as a tactic and start living it as a truth. Closing message, the untouchable mindset. So next time she says, I just need space, you don't flinch, you don't question, you don't chase, you smile internally, because now you know she's predictable, you're unshakable, and power is no longer something you chase, it's something you are. Let her go. Let her wonder. Let her feel the weight of losing a man who doesn't collapse when left alone. This is the Stoic advantage. You're no longer the man who needs her affection. You're the man who chooses, with clarity, power, and stillness. That's when the tables turn. And when they do, you won't just have her back, you'll have her on her knees. So now you know. She says, I need space. You say nothing. You become stoic, detached, dangerous. This is your awakening, not your breakdown. Because when you stop chasing love, love begins to chase you. If you felt this video on a deep level, subscribe now. Because this channel is for men who don't beg. We build. Drop a comment below with the word unbreakable if you're done chasing and ready to master your mind. And remember, never fear her silence. Master yours.